What is Fibonacci retracement, and how does it work? In case you didn't know, the Fibonacci levels on your chart are not the Fibonacci sequence itself. You might be thinking, wait, what? So, where did those numbers come from? Good, you're asking the right questions. So, let me tell you where those numbers come from. Now, the original Fibonacci sequence is as follows: 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, 233, 377. Again, how the heck did those numbers come into place? You'd be surprised, basic math. See? It's a mathematical sequence where you add the previous number to get the next one. But as simple as it is, the Fibonacci is all over nature, from architecture to animals, even to humans. All right, we're getting sidetracked here. So, how does it apply to trading? How in the world did we freaking get these Fibonacci ratios in trading? 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, 88.6%. So, remember how we get the following number in the Fibonacci sequence by adding the previous one. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, 233, 377. In this case, we're using this same Fibonacci sequence to divide them to get the Fibonacci ratio. Let me give you an example. What do you get if you divide 21 by 34 in the Fibonacci sequence? 0.618, 61.8%. What if you divide 21 by 55, which is 2 sequences away? 0.382, 38.2%. How about 21 with 89, which is 3 sequences away? 0.236, 23.6%. That makes more sense, right? We need to learn how to apply these to financial markets. And as you know, it's this very same Fibonacci ratio that we learn how to draw a Fibonacci retracement in very different ways, such as with the Fibonacci circle, the Fibonacci fan, and finally, the Fibonacci retracement. In my next video, I will share common mistakes traders make when plotting them on the chart. If you got some value in this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on all your YouTube notifications for my channel so you don't miss any future videos on this or any other trading topic, including live charting and analysis. Thank you for watching.